Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see this daily analysis where it's gonna lead us today. So we're gonna start as usual with detecting our position right now from the channeling, because of course it's one of the key element here for an impulse that it might be unfolding as a 1, 2, 3 here, 4 and a 5. So yeah, we see of course finally a decision has been taken here. The price exit the base channel after a long time here, resisting of course to break out of it. But basically of course it has at the end broken, yeah, the base channel, and we are looking again of course for something pushing for lower here. So we gotta be careful from a 1, 2, 3 here unfolding 4 and a 5, because this is gonna finish a wave 3 over there, and that means 1, 2 there, and then of course you have another 1, 2, and that means of course you are expecting a deep wave 4 resisting again within the base channel, another wave 4 resisting with the base channel again as well, with the lower time or the lower part of it, to finish of course here, yeah, to finish a wave A, yeah, to finish a wave A, and that means of course ABC here for a large wave 2, in case also this is happening like a large 1, 2, and then pushing for higher, guys, later on in a bull run, meaning of course deep correction is gonna take time as well, rather than being just of course in a regular flat. Now the regular flat is of course, it still has a chance, only one chance, only if we don't break the 52k, meaning we're gonna see this on the labels, but this is exactly of course the regular flat that we might be expecting here in this form. Shallow wave 2 taking time, yes, but it's gonna of course be shallow, no deep corrections. In this case it might be the following. The wave 2 still can be shallow in regular flat, and of course still has a chance, despite that we broke the channels there, the price can come back directly inside it still, because if the price goes directly inside it again after hitting the 52k 1-to-1 fib level taken from the W to the X to the Y here, that means of course you push again for wave B potentially, and then wave C later on to take the low again, yeah, around the 56k, yeah, in this red box there. So this is the only chance that we still have on, honestly. Of course today the probability is reducing, okay, for this possibility, yeah, but it is of course increasing for the deep wave, which is the following in double 1, 2, and then wave 3 unfolding 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, and then wave B, because this might be a wave A, then another, and I believe as usual this might of course finish up kind of like ending diagonal, or it can be aggressive, it doesn't matter, but yeah, so it's gonna be a zigzag. So yeah, expect that the deep wave here is increasing in probabilities. We might see of course a drop downward. So let's move inside it on the 2-hour chart. As you can see, of course we're still experimenting here. This wave 4 belongs to which scenario? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5? Because this is your deep wave scenario. Finished wave 3, you get wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Or are we still in double 1, 2 here? So you have 1, 2 over there, another 1, 2, wave 3 over here, and then wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, because this belongs to your wave Y. So because of course in this way you are finishing only one impulse there, which is double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for a wave C in an ABC. Okay, so everything is still fine. You're in wave Y, you push for higher or regular flat, we're back inside the base channel and everything. Yeah, so it's a trap somehow. The opposite scenario is of course you have to eliminate the A, and you have to consider it a 1, 2, and then this is a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, short wave 3, but not shorter than wave 1. Everything's still fine. And that means of course rather than having A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your triangle for wave 4 and a wave 5, but this is gonna make the whole leg here just one impulse as a wave 3, meaning it is mandatory to consider this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then of course expecting for 5 towards the downside, deep correction. Yep, so this is what we have to detect right now. Of course, in the next price, are we in double 4-5? So are we gonna see something like this as zigzag 4-5, or are we gonna see a straightforward impulse? This is a question mark, guys. Yep, and we're gonna get an answer. Is it a deep wave or is it a regular flat? We're gonna know exactly in the middle of this move down. If we get a correction, large correction, replying for one of those wave 2, that means yes, we might be of course in double 1-2 over there, and the possibility is still there to push for higher. I hope that Bitcoin doesn't complicate it, but yeah, I think it's gonna be clear for us, of course, and we'll see an answer. Yep, so today expect also on the 50-minute chart to drop down. Of course, we are in double 1-2. Don't forget here 1-2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, and potentially even 4 and a 5 almost finished. So you can consider even almost an impulse can be finished. Even one more low is possible. So you can consider, of course, wave 3 here is done. Now you're looking for wave 4 potentially can be unfolding here, and then wave 5 again. Okay, so we have several 1-2s here. Internally 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I would say yes, this is wave 3 here, finish wave 4, wave 5, and we'll see, of course, this if it's gonna finish wave 5 in the magenta. But you don't forget, you still have a potential 3, 4, 5 still for there. Okay, and that means, of course, you might still see a double 4-5, which is our wave Y as explained. So we'll see, guys. Yep, so I would say the first impulse is not yet done, of course, and you need to take the low anyway. Yeah, so that's why we're still looking for the low anyway here around the 60K. Yeah, we need the 60K at least here for Bitcoin as a next target. And also, if you're looking here a little bit on the target, well, we're not very far from the 0.38. So this is your 0.38. So expect also to take it. It is around the 56K 835 here. So expect to take it as well potentially. And if we get another 4-5, we might take the 52K, and then we push for regular flat. We'll see. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin, the daily analysis. We're still bearish, of course. We're looking for lower in any case scenario, guys. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.